Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a fork shape side table in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set the rotated rectangle. We can set the value around. We can set the rotated around 400, and we can set the height around 400 also. Then we can set this 400 and 400. Okay, and then we can push it up around 450 millimeter. Then we can make a duplicate of this box. Okay, then we can make shape of the fork itself like this, and then we can maybe we can set it again. We can use line and place on the middle, and we can offset it inside. We can select the line first, then we can offset around 30 millimeter. Okay, and then we can continue the line to the top. Okay, then we can push it to the limit and push it to the limit also. Then we can push it with our desired dimension anyway. Then we can make it group, and then we can right click and make component and create it, and then you can move and select control and place on here on this corner. Okay, and then we can type, maybe we can type 5/ and enter, so it will be fork shape anyway. Then we can rectangle in here, or we can push it up. We can push it up with any size of it, and we can make group, and we can just move to this space anyway, or we can move it to this space. Okay, and then we can push it here. Okay, and then we can make the material with wood material. Okay, then we can set the darkness or brightness. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and maybe you can add more frame to make it stable than before with this, and in another space anyway, maybe in another space. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.